And today we are bringing you a stunning home that is every investor's delight, more so for its impeccable location. This home is steps to Durham College, Ontario Tech University, bus stop, new Ryokan Shopping Plaza with tons of restaurants, Costco and Highway 407. Welcome to 1720 Simcoe Street North. This stunning property can be used by an end user or investor as a turnkey investment opportunity with great rental income. It's a 2-story condo townhome with 3 bedrooms, 3 full washrooms. Let's take a look inside. This is a fully furnished home with the main floor featuring stunning kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and a huge island with breakfast bar. Main floor also features a bedroom and a full washroom. Upstairs we have laundry, 2 bedrooms with ensuite washroom and walkout to a large balcony.